Alright folks, so welcome to makeitrain.net where we make money making easy for you. Namaste, salam, konnichiwa, hola, ni hao to all my friends all over the world. I just want to say hi. Today we're going to walk you through a step-by-step review of a rehab property that we just did recently. Now this property is special. Why? Because in this property we're going to take you step by step from each room to show you what was done in the property. We're going to also talk about the money factor, how much money was put in, okay? Talk about the numbers. We're going to also talk about the strategy to accomplish this task, and that's very critical. So let's go ahead and watch the video together. So on your screen you have here is the front yard of the property, okay? The front yard essentially was, you can see, destroyed. The grass was dead, there are no shrubs, there was no mulch there. Now let's move to what changes we made. Right, so you look at the screen now, we put a big, nice number plate on the property. We painted the sidings, we painted the actual house wood, we planted some nice shrubs here. Now the door was also painted to match the siding, as you can see that. We also power washed the walkway and the entrance, okay? Let's look at the next picture. So this one is a zoomed out view, so you can see how nicely the yard looks. In fact, the yard looked like the best yard of anybody else in the entire neighborhood once this was done. So people were stopping by and asking us what was done and why. Now number two is the backyard. Now in the backyard you can see some key things here, folks. A stove that was just sitting there, it's not working. The glass in the back was broken. Now this house backs up a golf course, right? And a golfer's dream backyard, but it was totally trashed out. The stones were broken, there was mold. So what did we do? If you look at the next picture here, we power washed the entire stones. We added some more stones on top, put a new HVAC system, as you can see on the left hand side here. We also put some mulch and then some stones, white stones around the brown stones, and we also put some extra plants on the side to give it a more inviting look in the backyard. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is the kitchen. The kitchen was a great story, folks, because why? Because in this kitchen we had extra small cabinets. You can see the hardwood was dead pretty much. The washer dryer was sitting next to each other. The light fixture here was pretty dated, so we had to fix that. The countertops are obsolete, and you also see in this kitchen there's a wall that the guy's working on in the picture. That wall had to be torn down to open up the kitchen right to the living room area to give it an illusion of more space. Now this is the new kitchen, so you can see how neatly we stacked up the washer and dryer next to the right size of fridge, and we managed to even squeeze in a small pantry and a butler's pantry right next to it, as you can see in the picture. Now looking at the bigger picture, wow, the custom cabinets, custom knobs, and as you can see, after the wall opened up and you can see the entire living room, which we'll see in another picture, you'll get an idea. This is my dog, by the way, Gooby, who always likes to join me. Sorry for the digression. As I was saying, you look in the kitchen, let's look at the countertop, right? The countertops were all granite. Now it doesn't mean it's an expensive granite. It was a cheap granite. It wasn't the most expensive one, but it made it look nice. Why? Because we tied in the flooring, which was the Italian tiles, where we spent a little bit more money to then connect that and sort of complement each other. You also look at the backsplash, right? Backsplash was kind of brownish, mustard tone. And then look at the lights fixture above, right? The lights fixture is just gorgeous, and it just brought up so much light in the room with the new glass and everything else. So let's move on to the next. So let's look at the stairs, right? The stairs here, had nails on them. It was all carpeted, dirty carpet, almost 20 years old. So we took out all the carpet, ripped everything out. We sanded, painted, as you can see, the beautiful new staircase, sanded multiple times, painted and stained multiple times to make sure the glow comes out, and the stairs almost look brand new after they were sanded. We also painted the side grille and also the handrail. So now you can see a different view of the staircase from the other side, where you're seeing the entrance, and on the left hand side in this picture you can see the kitchen area from the living room. How inviting and open does this look, right? Now here in the picture, let's move on to the bathrooms, right? So in the bathroom, we did an interesting thing. We actually tore down one of the master bedroom closets and built a new bathroom in there because there was enough space. And this townhome was only 3 bedrooms and I think 1.5 bath. So we converted it to 2.5 bath because these were built in like the early 1900s. So we took this bathroom, as you can see in the picture, a closet is being reworked, and this closet was then converted to, guess what, to a bathroom. And look at this beautiful, gorgeous bathroom. Wall-to-wall Italian tiles. You got the vanity, beautiful oval-shaped mirror, and then again the light fixtures, right? Recessed lights. We installed 3-4 recessed lights, and just a nice sliding door stand-up shower in a closet area. So keep that in mind, okay, for those of you trying to learn how to optimize the space. So the next one is the second bathroom, which we just refurbished. We put, again, nice designer wall-to-wall tile. Did not spend too much money on it. We used the same tub they had, just repainted it, okay? Now let's look at the bedrooms. So in bedrooms, we had some drywalls that was torn. So we tore down some of the walls and put some new drywall on it. We painted, again, the windows, put some new glass in it. Glass was the hardest part to find because these windows don't come in the standard size glass. Put new doors, brand new doors, used some of the old doors, repainted it, new vents, everything new here. Let's move on from the bedroom to the living area, where we refurbished an old fireplace, okay? What we did is we made sure that the fireplace looks pristine, right? And it matches the environment. So we put marble, surroundings next to the fireplace, and we blasted with black paint in the backyard. And you can see the hardwood also was chosen carefully to give it the illusion of more space. A lighter color hardwood in a smaller house is ideal, folks. So I hope you can appreciate the design here. This is the living area, and there's more pictures of the living area, and again another picture of the stacked up washer dryer, and you have your pantry there, right, folks? So I hope you guys enjoyed this little tour of my property. Now let's talk about the numbers. So all in all, when we bought this property, we had put in about, I would say, $180,000 purchase price. I'd asked a partner of mine to invest with me in this property, but he said he thought it was too much work, so he bailed out. So I had no money to put down, so I took a hard money loan, and $180,000, including closing costs, he bought the property. Now, in this property, I spent about $25 to maybe $30 the most $1,000 of materials and contractor work. And I didn't have any cash to pay the contractor, so I charged every single thing on my credit card. I had to max my credit card, folks, to get this property done. But I knew that I could finish it in a couple of months. So it took us 2.5 months, get a bunch of guys in there, finish the property, get it painted. We rented the property for $2,250, okay? $2,250, which was the highest rent in this area, because no other property in the same neighborhood had brand new granite countertops, brand new appliances, brand new kitchen, brand new HVAC system, nice cool backyard, nice shrubs and plants, beautiful grass, trimmed and cut tree, and Italian tiles, and an extra bathroom, right? That also counts. When we appraised the property to refinance it, the property value had gone up, folks, you would not believe, to $350,000, or close to $350,000. So we did about close to $150,000 in profit in this property. This is a great example how you can leverage your credit to then finish your properties. And this is why I talk about get more credit cards, get more leverage, get higher credit limits, so you guys can also do this. So thank you for watching this show. I appreciate you guys. Once again, like, subscribe as much as you can. I appreciate if you guys can like the video to our channel so you guys can get more notifications, and let me know what you guys think. Really, should we use credit card money in this funding? Should you have different ways, or creative ways of financing the property? Is there a better way to do this property? Let me know what you guys think. Are you guys interested in doing rehab of properties? Do you guys have some money that you want to invest with us? If so, you can check us out on makeitrain.net, which is our website. Again, thank you very much. Like, subscribe. We appreciate you guys. And I wish you guys a very happy 2021 New Year. Let's crush it together. Thank you.